Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Eco Wish's white cheetah sleeve t-shirt. Ooh, first and foremost, this fabric here is super stretchy and really soft. And this fabric is a little bit harder. And then this fabric is like soft again. So there's like different textures going on. There is this beautiful detail ribbon rope kind of thing going on all the way down, but not all the way down to the end. The front, the back. Yeah, I love all the textures and patterns that are going on. Should fit perfectly right on the sleeve right there. It's not off the shoulder or anything. So let me go ahead and try it on. So how you can tell the difference between the front and back is that the front has this ribbon or this rope design, and then the back does not. It goes down to here. It's nice loose fitting. It can be paired with anything, you know. You can wear like a high waist so that you can show off more, and then the design won't get cut off if you wear something at the waist. But in general, just a nice, stretchy, comfortable, more than just a white tee. It's like a tee plus some cute detail and design and interesting stuff. So if you would like to purchase this shirt, make sure to check out the description below. For more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this t-shirt, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.